welcome back to my channel. I thought that I would do this makeup look for you. It's cherry blossom inspired. I thought that I would try something different, mix up my makeup look that I usually do. So anyway, let's get started with the makeup tutorial. So I already went ahead and applied some sunscreen. I'm also going to be putting some lip balm before I start my makeup. And this also has SPF, which is very important. I look really dead right now, so we're gonna go in with our concealer. And I'm just gonna apply 3 dots here, like so. And here we have a little situation going on. So I'm just gonna dab it there, which I don't know if that's gross, like directly applying it, but oh well. We're gonna go in with our BB cushion. And as you know, I've been using the Kill Cover CLIO foundation. This lasts a long time, so that's why I've been using it a lot. I did start running out of this, and I think there's a refill too, but what I usually do is I flip this sponge to the other side because all the foundation is settling down at the bottom, so I just flip it over and then you have a lot more foundation. And then I go in and I start to blend the concealer. This foundation is good for covering up spots. So you see how it kind of will just like tip that out. Pretty good coverage. Okay, now we have our face on. We're gonna go ahead and do our eyebrows. I'm using the ETUDE drying eyebrow pencil, and I've always used this because it's affordable, and I like how it's angled right here at the point, so it kind of gives you more of a defined brow. I like to start in my inner eyebrow first because I don't have hair here, so I like to draw that out first and then work my way out. But for everyone it's different. I'm just gonna blend this out. Every time the camera never catches like the true look of my eyebrow, but I'm gonna start shading now. I've been using this eyeshadow from, where is it from? Tony Moly. Yes, I've been using this from Tony Moly for a while now, and it's like breaking on me, as you can see here. On the back it says it lasts 2 years, so we're gonna go ahead and just start shading here. My nose, and just bring it down. I like to start here in the inner corners, just kind of make that, and then bring it down. And that's pretty much it for the nose. We're gonna go ahead and contour our cheeks, dust off the excess. I kind of go under my chin here just to make it a little more narrow, and also my chin to make it smaller. So, you know, that double chin is not a joke. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. It's kind of funny because I always use the same products when I'm doing these makeup looks, so I feel like I might start getting a little bit boring, but these products last a really long time for me, and yeah, but eventually I will change it up, hopefully. Okay, we're gonna go in with our cheeks now. You've seen this before. This is my cotton blush by MISSHA in Vintage Robe. This is a non-shimmer blush. As of now, I'm not really a big fan of shimmer. The other day I bought an ETUDE blush one, and that one had shimmer actually, so I had to return it. So if you're looking for a non-shimmer blush, then I recommend MISSHA Cotton Blush. Just gonna take a sweep of that and apply it on our apples. You cannot go out without blush. Blush is a necessity for me. Now we're gonna go in with our eyes. Recently I've been trying to tightline my eyes just so that they look more awake. So I've been using the Sister and Double Effect Waterproof Eye Pencil. This one actually works quite well. It's waterproof and anti-smudging. It's also very highly pigmented. I actually bought like a whole bunch of eyeliners, waterproof eyeliners, to tightline my eyes, but I realized that my eyes get oily a lot, so that's why it was smudging a lot under my eye. What I do now is I use a powder. I just powder under my eyes. I powder under my eyes with the Pond's Magic Powder. I've used this before, but I got this in Thailand and it basically keeps your face matte all day. I still have not figured out how to apply this. I usually just use my fingers. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go apply this on my face with my fingers. Yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back. It is definitely more matte now. Also, don't forget to also apply it under your eyes so that you don't get eyeliner smudge. Now we're gonna go ahead and curl our lashes. I'm not ready to commit to fake lashes yet. I did get a new mascara. It's the same brand that I usually use, HEROINE. The only difference is this is the long and curl one. The other one that I usually use is the volume and curl. As it says, this one makes your lashes long and curly. It's also waterproof. The volume and curl one that I used before doesn't say waterproof. This was the first one that I used, and then after that I couldn't find it in the stores, so I ended up buying the volume and curl one, and then I found this again. So this is how it looks like, the brush, and it has like these little tiny particles, but it has like these small specks where it kind of sticks onto your lashes to create this long effect. I'm actually gonna go back in and just put a little bit of eyeshadow on my eyes just to give it some depth, using the same contouring eyeshadow thing that I used. I'm just gonna slightly brush it over my eyelid. Same to the other side. I'm gonna apply it more towards the center because I want it to have some depth. So nothing much, but just like a small, you know, minor step, I suppose. We're gonna go ahead and add it down here. Once that. And then recently I bought one of the Play 101 pencils. I got it in this pink color in number 11, but I didn't realize that it was pink because I bought it online, and I just kind of like wanted a slight like natural shimmer to my eyes to put it here and like right here. Yes, but this one is pink. It's not too bad. And I also got it in 20 black, matte black. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the inner corners, just very slightly, just a little bit, because I don't really like the pink effect of it, but you know, I bought it so I can't return it at this point. I'm gonna blend it with my fingers. I almost forgot. I'm gonna go in with the cotton blush again. I'm gonna just use my fingers. I'm gonna apply it in the center of my eyelid and just blend it out. Last but not least, we're gonna do our lips now, finally. I'm gonna be using the PERIPERA Ink Matte Blur Tint. This is in shade Passion Apple. The other day I was cleaning out my lipsticks. I came across this and I totally forgot that this was one of the shades that I really liked. I don't know why I forgot all about it, but anyway, it's such a beautiful color, highly pigmented, and it's just so nice, and you can just like, anyway, I'll show you. This one you can kind of like build it up. So that is the color. To finish it off, we're gonna apply this on our Cupid's bow. Okay, so this is the final look. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below if you want to see more videos like this. Also, I will be doing a giveaway hopefully in April, if not in May. But yes, that is all that I have for today, so I will see you in my next video.